That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be.
As you guys know that I am building my personal brand on various social media platforms, and I put out a lot of content on regular basis. So this time I recorded my screen while I was making it, and I'm gonna share with you guys so you guys have an idea or kind of glimpse how to create or make your content for your page or any kind of thing. And I'm also gonna mention the tools and the apps in the description so you guys can refer from it if you want it. So have a look and just let me know in the comment section.
Igor.